So, hi, I'm Camille. I'm one of the owners of Beyond the Crust Pasay branch. And we're located here at Merville, 2 Balagbag Street, Pasay City. So, maganda siyang location kasi malapit lang sa school, access road, madaling makita sa map din. And nakapin na din kami sa Google Map. You just have to search for Beyond the Crust Pasay and then makikita nyo na din siya agad. Our main product kasi is mga pizza burger talaga. Pero ang mga bestseller natin for that is mix, composed of 4 flavor, which is mozzarella, Hawaiian, pepperoni, and overload. The next one is a 3-in-1 pizza burger, which is beef and mushroom, overload, and mozzarella. Then the last one is 2-in-1, which is very favorite ng mga bata, mozzarella and Hawaiian. Have just 2 employees on our staff. Then kami, tumutulong din kami sa online. So, sa mga previous and loyal customer namin, we apologize for pag late ng mga responses kasi small pa lang kami and we're trying to build up some of our employees for us to this store to stand on alone. So, pasensya na kung medyo late yung response namin, pero we make sure that every person that na nagme-message sa aming pages is na-accommodate namin ng maayos. Store hours namin is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, available kami at GrabFood. Pwede nyo yung i-search yun, Beyond the Crust Pasay. Available na kami sa GrabFood. Then, pwede naman din po online. We accept online orders. Just PM our page, Beyond the Crust Pasay. Then, for the delivery, pwede naman po lalabas. So, hi, kung gusto nyo guys ng pizza burger, pwede nyo itry ang aming branch, which is located here at Pasay, Beyond the Crust Pasay. Hindi nyo na kailangan tumayo pa kasi meron ng branches malapit sa inyo.